In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create great anime thumbnails. To do that, we're going to use NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is in the comment section. And here we need to go to the image section, and we're going to use the model GPT Image 2 in the low quality because this is enough. And that way the cost of credits is very low. And we're going to do 4 images. This because the cost is super low. So now here, where it says describe your image, we're going to use this prompt that I'm going to put in the comment section. And in title, we need to put the title of our video. So here I'm going to put this title. And here, where it says thumbnail text, is this, the text that will have the thumbnail. So let's put a text like this one, the best protagonist. And now here, where it says reference image, we're going to erase this. Because now I'm going to click here and upload an image of Luffy. So now let's click here, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the result, and as you can see, the quality is really good. I really like it. So if you want to do thumbnails like this one, the prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can try this platform, NovoAds AI for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.